To set up a custom conference in College Football 25, follow these steps based on the gameplay mechanics. Here is the step-by-step guide to walk you through how we can set up this conference thing. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Access Dynasty mode. Start by entering the Dynastic setup. This is where you will manage all your conferences. Next, navigate to Custom Conferences within the Dynasty setup. This is the option for custom conferences. This is crucial for modifying existing conference or creating your own. Next step is understand team limits. You need a minimum of 4 teams to create a conference. However, if you want to set up divisions, you must have at least 12 teams. This is important. This won't allow you to revert fewer teams once you add more. Be aware that the game might have be aware that the game might not have Be aware that the game might not save you changes immediately. After making adjustments, you may need to back out and re-enter this setup to ensure your modifications are saved properly. Step 4. To add teams to your custom conference, you can replace existing teams. For example, if you want to add a new team, you must select an existing team to remove. This can be done by selecting the import team builder option, choosing the team you wish to replace. Make sure to choose teams that fit your desired conference structure, whether traditional or entirely new. Step 5. To create divisions within your conference, ensure you have 12 teams. You can designate divisions, north and south, and set rules as per your needs. Finalizing changes. After making all your adjustments, remember there is no explicit save button. Instead, you need to back out of the menu to ensure your settings are retained. If changes do not appear, try re-entering the setup. That's it for the video. I think this presentation will help you to set up a custom conference in College 25. Thank you.